Multiplayer online games have revolutionized how people interact and connect. Virtual worlds have become social spaces where friendships are forged and maintained, and that is what has connected us today to see what the new version of PlayStation 5 has to offer. Welcome to TechZone KE, and my name is Simon Kabucho. In this video, we are going to unbox, review, and compare the new PS5 Slim with the original PS5. For years, many people have complained about PS5's bulky, unwieldy body, and Sony finally addressed that with the new PS5 Slim. Let's see what it has to offer. The PS5 Slim is well packaged with a smaller packaging compared to the original PS5. It has a double package, the outer cover that is well branded with the item specifications and the inner package that is all white with a Sony PlayStation logo. The only thing that I feel was left out here is the handle on the package that came handy while carrying the original PS5. Inside the box, we have one DualSense wireless controller that is not too heavy. It has long handles, and to me, it feels very comfortable to handle. It looks the same as the one from original PS5, no improvement. Here, we have a HDMI cable to connect with your TV, a USB cable, an AC power cord, 2 horizontal stand feet, and finally, the PlayStation 5 console. This console comes in two types, the disc version and the digital version. In our case today, we are working with the disc version. This device has 4 partitions. That's why you can see a gap in the middle. The lower part has a rough finishing, while the top part is smooth. In the middle ridge, we have 4 small holes for inserting the fits to enable the console to lie horizontally on a flat surface. Let's say you want to place it on the table or on the TV stand. This is what you will use. On the front part, we have the power button that is well labeled, 2 USB-C ports, the disc eject button, and on top of it, the disc drive slot. At the back, we have the power port, 2 USB ports, 1 Ethernet port, and 1 HDMI port. This is the complete set. The vertical stand is not included in the package. Therefore, you have to purchase one separately. Other accessories that you might need while purchasing this console are an extra controller, your preferred games, and a charging station for the controllers. Let's see the difference between the old version and the new version. Their size. The PS5 Slim is smaller in size compared to the original version, but according to me, I feel that it's still too large. They could have done better than this. This black part looks similar. The storage. The original PS5 has an internal storage of 825 GB, while this new PS5 Slim has an improvement with 1 TB storage. At the front, the power buttons are placed on the same position with an improvement I noticed. The power button in the new console is more visible. The disc eject button has been moved and placed below the disc slot. In the old version, there was too much confusion between the two buttons. They could have labeled them in white or any visible color. On the new console, we have 2 USB-C ports without the HDMI port, while in the old version, we have 1 USB-C and 1 HDMI port. At the back, the ports are all the same, with a difference in the positioning only. The power port, 2 USB ports, 1 Ethernet port, and 1 HDMI port on both. From the side, the old version is flat while the new version is divided into 2 parts. The controllers are the same. There is no any notable difference. From the package, the PS5 old version supports 8K, while the new version doesn't. All other internal features are the same. The gaming experience doesn't feel any different. If you own the original version of PS5, I don't see any importance of doing an upgrade to this slim version. But for every first owner, kindly go ahead and get one. Gamers never quit. That's all we have for today, and thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you are in Kenya, you can shop for this console online by visiting www.tvguru.co.ke. We deliver all over Kenya. See you on the next video.